please go to Ajdovščina.
We are already here, so let's start.
We came at the right time for the wine festival in Vipavski Križ. We really enjoyed it. Thank goodness we didn't have to drive home. We spent the night at B&W with an amazing view. Oh, and yes, they have cats. After Lali petted the cat, we went to explore Vipavski Križ. We walked through the same streets where the wine festival was held last night, visited the church, and right next to it the monastery and the castle, which also houses a primary school. Then we drove to the town of Ajdovščina.
Me and Lali are located in the center of Ajdovščina and we are exploring Castra, the old Roman army base.
It's so hot.
The hot weather won't stop us.
Now we are going to our next location, which is Ajdovščina Museum.
On the ground floor of the museum there is a fossil collection, and on the first floor
This part of the museum is the most interesting for me because you can see the towers, how do they look like now and where were they placed. Pretty cool.
After the museum, we had a delicious lunch at Civičaven. And
Next location, Ironworks.
just nearby,
The source of the Hubal River in heavy rain, it's like this. But now it's summertime, so it looks like this.
our last stop was Otliško Window, with breathtaking views. Comment down below where we should go next.